Thank you, Tabi. So, minsan ko lang narinig to. Kala ko, kwenta-kwenta lang eh. Try lang. Sabi ko, baka mamaya totoo. So, I visited the office. And now, I'll be getting my first commission. Whew! Ilang weeks ba ito? Ilang weeks ko ba tinrabaho ito?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? Pwede na. Magkano ba commission ko lang? Magkano ba commission natin?
Bali,
Pwede na pang extra income.
sign na lang po ng name mo, then signature,
Okay.
then date. Sir.
Thank you, Lord.
Total natin ng dirhams na, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Salamat.
Total of 9,500 dirhams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2,000. 1,000. 2.
Nakakatakot naman itong 1,000 na to. Parang ano lang. Parang yung maliit na bill nila.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9,500 dirhams.
Wow. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. At least, yung Tabi ngayon, dati puro palabas ang pera, guys eh. So sabi ko nga, why not this time? Let's use Tabi for, for business. Hindi puro palabas ang pera. Subok-subok lang. Minsan ko lang nakita sa TikTok, sabi ko, try lang. And now, yung fruit of labor, ito na, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 5. So total na 9,500.
500, yes.
Okay, thank you very much. So guys, if you wanted to experience also this, extra income lang naman, wala namang mawawala eh. Subok-subok lang. Malay mo, mangyayari din sa'yo kung anong nangyayari sa atin, di ba? So guys, if you are interested to know kung anong ginagawa ko dito sa Dubai, you can simply DM me. Nandyan yung number ko sa video, tapos usap tayo. Anyway, sabi ko nga, wala namang mawawala, di ba? Malay mo, di ba yung pinagpipray mong matagal na kay Lord? Malay mo, ito pala yung opportunity para sa iyo. Kaya nakita mo siya dito sa TikTok. So for that, thank you very much. Ma'am, thank you ha.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, so
Next
God bless you guys. See you to my next video. Okay? God bless.